You got him out.
Gotcha! Oh, will I help ya?
That's the biggest calamari I've ever seen.
Hey, give that back. Stop, I say. I gotta help that poor fella and these other nice people.